Marlin Steel started off with a factory in Baltimore, Maryland, and we made bagel baskets for 30 years. And then an engineer at Boeing asked if we could make a custom basket. It was an epiphany. Now we make anything with wire, anything with sheet metal. And in the last 4 years, the company has more than tripled in size. We have locations now in Indiana and Michigan. The general trend is that people are moving from rural America to big urban cities. And that's why I love building in these small towns, because you're part of the future of the community. And success begets success.
It's fabulous. The parts look great.
Our strategy with employees is to treat them really well.
Hello, guys. How's it going today?
So when we started in Baltimore, everybody was paid top-notch wages. We pay them well, and we share the wealth.
Hi, Penny.
Hi.
And it's an exciting approach to making this community stronger.
The wires, do they fit in smooth?
Yes, they do. Production is a lot better with this.
Thank you, Penny.
Drew's put a lot into the company. It's not just him going up and saying, well, how's that part running? Bye-bye. We really tried to make sure that the community understands that we're there for them. I'm feet on the ground here, and I can see how we can help out. Hey, Deb.
We're trying to lift people
You're knocking it out of the park with learning all the different elements of this business.
and give them avenues to grow and thrive in this rural community.
I grew up in Bronson, Michigan, born and raised.
Hey, bud.
Hi. Coming home from a factory job, my father always said, I hope you kids don't grow up working in a factory like me. I never want somebody to feel like you felt. I always remember you coming home from work upset. I always want to make sure I never have employees going home feeling like you did, so unhappy, but willing to work for his family and do anything he can. I am gonna cry. Drew has always made it known that the communities matter most out of everything. That's how you make a great company even better.
Allison, hello, how are you? How's your family?
My great-grandmother came over on the boat, and she was a seamstress in Philadelphia.
We check all the components before we put it together.
My grandfather started a grocery shop in Philadelphia, and he saved up enough money to help send my dad to college.
And how's the new job working out? Are you happy? Are you enjoying it?
Love it. I absolutely love it.
My dad worked hard, and my dad taught me how to invest.
And what other things can we do to help you out?
And we're investing in people, and they're creating opportunities for their kids and their families. It's not just about the profits. I want to help people like somebody helped out that seamstress in 1914 get a job in Philadelphia. It's about pulling up people, making this community stronger.